New this morning, after a marathon meeting, the county is officially declaring COVID misinformation a, quote, public health crisis. The Board of Supervisors passed this plan overnight.
Now, this comes after hundreds of public comments during this meeting that lasted about 15 hours. News 8's Chris Groh joining us live outside the county administration building with a look at that new plan and some of the recap of last night. Good morning, Chris.
Wow.
And look, a lot of these opinions that came during the public comment actually came from the group Reopen San Diego. It's a group that really has fought a majority of this pandemic against mitigation efforts as well as restrictions against businesses and other type of operations during this pandemic in an effort to try to limit the spread of COVID-19. Their fight continued last night.
We're in the twilight zone here.
You do not get to call anything misinformation that doesn't align with your rules and with your ideas. Why does your research outweigh mine?
And so let's talk about what this actually means. Yes, it declares COVID misinformation a, quote, public health crisis. And as part of that, the county would devote resources to combating misinformation surrounding COVID-19. It would also include a website to disseminate the most accurate information backed up by actual medical experts. Educational resources would also be available to help residents distinguish actual medical facts from opinions and personal stories. And the county would partner with federal, state, research, and other local entities to, quote, identify best practices to stop the spread of health misinformation, end quote. Now, the proposal was put forth by Chair Nathan Fletcher, and in announcing the proposal, Fletcher said he, quote, fully supports the First Amendment and people's right to say and believe what they want, but we also have the right and responsibility to call out things that are objectively false. An example, he pointed out, the recent use of ivermectin. The recent internet posts have encouraged using the medication for horses in place of the authorized COVID vaccine. Some of the public opinion we heard from today, public opinion that we heard yesterday that went on for hours, felt like it went on into today. One in particular from the medical community supported the idea of combating that type of information, and it was echoed as well.
I hope that by combating health misinformation, we can further increase vaccination rates.
The misinformation peddled by the Let Them Breathe and Reopen San Diego folks is very harmful to society.
And look, for accurate information in regards to COVID-19 as well as the vaccine, especially if you haven't been vaccinated yet, we have the information on how you can get vaccinated, where to go. Just go to our website, cbs8.com, and click on that help button.